Welcome back once more to the broadcast. In business tonight, the Kenya Private Sector Alliance is optimistic that Kenya will attain its mass vaccination program for COVID-19 vaccine. KTN's Brian George Otieno had an exclusive interview with KEPSA CEO Caroline Kariuki. Listen.
It is not giving a note to private sector to import or to distribute any vaccines. What we are doing with the government, with the Ministry of Health, we are supporting them in their vaccination efforts. Okay. Already we began by supporting through our medical facilities, the private sector facilities, offering them to be used as as vaccination centers. And we also used sometimes some of the sports club where doctors could come and be able to vaccinate the employees of the club and the communities around. That had started happening. But we said we could do more. We could support government more. And because we support government in so many initiatives, wherever we have capacities or comparative advantages. So what we're doing now with the Ministry of Health, we said, as you're looking into vaccinating and we get into herd immunity, how can we support you? And so we are mobilizing funds to support the initiative and bring more vaccines, and so that government can bring in more vaccines that can reach to many more people by offering and saying that we can be able to support the vaccination process of our employees, their families, and the communities by giving government the money to bring in more vaccines and support the vaccination process.
Players in the hospitality sector found guilty of not observing COVID-19